Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video, also dryer machine. This dryer machine brand wise Whirlpool brand. As for the customer having a lot of complaints, but we are not able to resolve the problem at customer home. Because of that, we collected from the customer house to our workshop. We bought to the workshop. Now we found so many complaints because this machine running, also only his cloth warming only, not getting dry, because long time, for example, when he select mixed fabric or something, it's taking more than 1 hour, but not getting dry. Machine running without any error message. End of the cycle, when he open the door, he can get only the warm cloth only, not get dry cloth. Also here water not coming, something wrong with the machine. Because of that, we collected. We know the problem actually. All the filters, all the blowers, all the circulation air duct line, everything's are totally got blocked. Because of that, I'm telling, at your home, if you having any dryer machine, especially condensation or ventilation, no issue. At least every 3 months, you have to clean the filter. Here filter, this filter, this one not much, but the other filter also is too much, getting blocked. Every week you have to clean this one. After that, you can get good performance. First we have to check the filter here, and after that we have to open the cover here, bottom cover, this one, and in this machine we can open like that. This is one handle, this one here lock and pull out. Here see, this one totally blocked. This is totally blocked. We have to clean this one. This one so same, we can open like that. Here we can open like that and take it out. Here also is too much, it is totally blocked. Here everywhere blocked. Here inside also. Because of that, at least every week we have to clean the filter. Every month we have to take it out and clean this one. After that, our performance will get very smoothly. We can get 100% dry cloth from the machine. Also, as a customer, you cannot do anything, we cannot do anything. The back of the filter, back of the dryer, blower, here also inside blower, we have to remove the side cover. After that only we can check that work by yourself. It's easy, but if you don't have any knowledge, you have to call the technician. Otherwise, according to this type of video, if you having any knowledge electronic devices, about the electronic devices, be careful. But I'm requesting, if you having any idea, you can do this job. You can save your money. No need to unnecessarily waste your money from the pocket, because this situation is very bad going on. Because of that, try to do that. It is not harmful, but if you having only the idea, I'm telling, to that job. Because every month you have to clean all the filters and everything. Also here water dispenser, how is you can identify the area getting blocked, filters, and this is condensation, humidity making this one radiator. If getting blocked, here not coming water. If water not coming to the dispenser, you have to check all the filters and everything. Now see this one also from another dryer machine. This one also totally got blocked because the air circulation is going through this one. If it is getting blocked, it should be like that. All the humidity going through this one. At the same time, getting coming water go to the drain drawer, and after that water go to the drain. At that time, draining water dispenser. Now how is getting how is making water? This one totally blocked here. Yes, this one totally blocked. This one totally blocked. Because of that, you are at your home, you are dry, not getting dry. That means you cannot get good performance from the machine. You can get 100% dry from the machine. It may be taking long time. Otherwise, it will breaker also chance to go down. Because of that, very careful here. You can see here. It's too much dirty here. It's all the lint came and totally blocked. It's no way to circulate air. No way. Because of very careful, you have to use your washing machine, because your product, you are at your home, you are using your things, your money. Because of that, you have to think about your electronic devices, not only the dryer machine, especially washing machine, dryer machine, dishwasher, everything you have to use carefully. Otherwise, you have to spend unnecessary your money. Also, unnecessary waste your time. Because of that, I'm kindly requesting, please check your washing machine, dryer machine, dishwasher, refrigerator, the microwave, everything electronic devices at your home. You use properly. After that, no any headache. Without any headache, you can use your items properly. Now I will show the after removing inside the blower and duct, how it's getting blocked, why it's not getting dry. Everything I will show in this video. We will go to the next step. Now we have to clean like this with the water only. Otherwise that lints are not going because it's too much inside. This one, don't worry, it's all washable. You can wash with the pressure water. It's not getting damaged. Because of that, I'm using this one. It's already having pressure with my water line. Too much lint. Other one also. See, my dear friends, see, look at this. How is getting damaged belt? Now you can understand. Because this blower already blocked, not sucking or pulling air, because this much dirty. That's why the while running time, make a dry එක වැඩ කරන වෙලාවට මේක වැඩ කරලා making ड्रम එක through මේක අදින්න ඕනේ මේකේ එයා එක. හැබැයි මේකේ එහෙම එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද මේක මෙච්චරටම බ්ලොක් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා මේක ක්ලීන් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම බෙල්ට් මොනවා දැම්මත් වැඩක් නැහැ. Before replacing the belt and all any other defect part, first of all we have to remove this dirty and we have to clean the blower. I'm thinking better to remove and clean, and anyway first we will do like that. It's too much unbelievable. හිතා ගන්න බැරි තරමට මේකේ කුණු තියෙනවා. මේක තමයි රීසන් එක මේ බෙල්ට් එක යන්නේ. This is too much dirty, see. And this one, that's the reason, sir, belt getting break, because you know why this filter, see. It's too much. She never cleaned this one. Please, she don't know. This is your job, sir. Just inform to her, please. See, still having too much. Before call the technician, you have to do whatever you can do yourself, carefully, safety. And in this machine, actually, only the problem that area already got blocked. Because of that only clothes are not getting dry. We explain to the customer, but we know it is he is not able to do that, because we remove and clean the filter, everything, blower line, ducting line, everything. Now we will check it is okay, but thing is, again I'm requesting from you, at your home, if you having any dry machine or any washing machine, any electronic devices, you have to check properly what is the problem. After that only, second step, you have to call the technician. According to the manual, service manual, according to the user manual, you can get some idea. All the machines, when you purchasing from the market, supermarket, any market, with the device, they are providing user guide, user manual. According to that, you can troubleshoot the problem, at least small, not the major issues. And again, I'm requesting, before call the technician, please, whatever you can do, you try to do yourself. Second step only, you have to call the technician. And thanks for watching my channel again. If you are still not subscribed, or if you are not giving like, because of that, please, I'm requesting, kindly like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching again.